everyone, this is Brenda Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Japan. I'll be trying a recipe for ice cream mochi. So let's get started. To start our mochi, I want to begin scooping our ice cream. So I have a tiny muffin pan here with muffin cups. I'm just gonna scoop ice cream into a little bowl. Right here I have strawberry ice cream and green tea ice cream. And you could choose any flavor of ice cream you like. So I'm almost done scooping out my ice cream. If you have a hard time scooping a perfect ball, you can always dip your scoop in warm water and it comes out perfect. Okay, now I'm done scooping my ice cream. So I have half strawberry, half green tea. So I'm gonna put these back in the freezer so they could harden up for maybe like an hour or two. To start our dough, I'm going to use sweet rice flour. So this is the box I got. So this is 1 cup. And from there you're going to add the water, 3/4 of a cup. And you want to mix it until it's well combined. So the rice flour is and the water is well combined now. So now I'm going to steam this. Now it's time to steam. So I'm going to put my bowl inside. Cover with the towel. And then I'm going to put the lid on top. And this should steam about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Now I'm going to transfer this into a pot. Now I'm going to transfer my dough into the pot. I'm going to put it on low heat. And I have 2 cups of sugar, but I'm only going to add a little at a time. Once your sugar is well dissolved, you can add more sugar until you finish the whole 2 cups. Once you add your sugar, it should be a glossy dough. And I have my cheap pan filled with a lot of cornstarch. So I'm just gonna pour the dough onto the cornstarch. Now I want to wait a few minutes because it's really hot right now. So wait until it cools down just a little bit to start working with it. Now it cooled down just a little bit. I'm just gonna add dye. I have already did the reddish pink, like a dark pink color for the strawberry. I'm gonna do a green for the green tea. You don't really have to dye your mochi, but it's fun having different colors. Just gonna add a little more dye. Now I'm just gonna roll out my sticky dough. Now I have a parchment paper and I put cornstarch, lots of cornstarch on the bottom. Make sure you cover it. Make sure your rolling pin is also full. Also with cornstarch, because this is a very sticky dough. Just gonna roll it out. And I'm just gonna stick this in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes. Now it's been 30 minutes, so I have my stencil. I have a pastry brush. And you wanna work with one at a time because the ice cream will melt fast. So I just grabbed my ice cream, going to cut a circle. Now I want to brush off the extra cornstarch. Put the ice cream in the middle. And you're just gonna whirl it up. Now if you're done, wipe this with plastic. Very tight, and put it back in the freezer. Finished all my strawberries, so now I'm going to turn to the green tea. And the same thing, you cut it. Make sure you only work with one ice cream at a time. Dust off the extra cornstarch. Place ice cream in the middle. And just wrap around it. Again, dust off the cornstarch. Wrap it in plastic. And put it back in the freezer. So I finished all my mochi. So you want to put these in the freezer at least 2 hours so it could harden up again. These ice cream mochi came out so delicious. The only hard part was the ice cream part because you had to work quick. But all in all, it was an easy recipe to make. Great for a summer treat. So I better put these back in the freezer because it looks like they're starting to melt again. Like always, I see you guys on my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.